Hi, this is TK Viper, and today I'm going to show you how to play the intro to Sweet Child of Mine using this app for the iPhone and iPod Touch called MIDI Fretboard. This is version 1.4.2, the latest one. It's got a slide enable fretboard. Okay, so you can slide anywhere, up, down, left, and right. Okay, so to set up your fretboard, use this mini fretboard to jump to fret number 12. So slide all the way down until it says fret 12 right here. Okay, that's the second fret right here. It's fret 12. This is 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and to play this song you need 3 patterns. Okay, the fourth pattern is the same as the first one. Okay, so the first pattern, second pattern, third pattern basically have the same notes except for the first note. Okay, so the first pattern will start on the 11th fret of the 4th string. Okay, remember that's the only difference between all the patterns. So the 11th fret, 4th string. Okay, next note is 14th fret, 2nd string. Okay, 13th fret, 3rd string. 11th fret, 3rd string. 14th fret, 1st string. 13th fret, 3rd string. 13th fret, 1st string. And then 13th fret, 3rd string. Okay, so like this. I'm going to go slowly. So, right from here. Okay, you can play one more time. Okay, now using all your fingers. Okay. Just like that. The second pattern starts with the 13th fret, 4th string. And the same thing. Okay, so from the beginning. Just like that. The third pattern, the final pattern, starts with 11th fret, 3rd string. So, from the beginning. And finally, the fourth pattern is the same as the first one. Okay, but I like to end it like this. So play the pattern one time, and then go like this. That's the ending. So, first string, 11th fret. Second string, 14th fret. Back to 11th fret, 1st string. 13th fret, 14th fret, 13th fret, 11th fret, and then 2nd string, 14th fret. And then shake it. Okay, so let's play the whole thing through. Oh, mistake. Okay, that's how you end it, but of course you can keep playing it over and over. The same 4 patterns over and over throughout the whole song. And now I'm going to play it with the real song in the background.